Today we're going to announce the winner of the BNC giveaway and tell you about this month's giveaway going on now. Power meets control with Dayton Audio's APA 1200 DSP power amplifier. It features powerful built-in DSP that would normally be handled by another piece of equipment, all in a convenient web-based control interface. Perfect as an amplifier for full-range speakers or subwoofers, this digital amplifier is an extremely powerful and infinitely configurable solution for the ultimate listening experience. Dayton Audio's reference series high excursion dual voice coil subwoofers set a new standard for controlled bass response from small enclosures. These subwoofers are perfect for anyone looking for maximum low frequency response, earth-shaking impact, and incredibly clean output. Find out more by clicking the link in the description. Dayton Audio's groundbreaking Epique extended range subwoofers are engineered to produce premium performance with controlled response. There are 2 new sizes, so you'll want to check them both out and see which one is right for you. Last month, we ran a giveaway for one lucky person to win a premium speaker package from BNC Speakers. And that lucky winner is, in fact, John B. from Little Rock, Arkansas. Congratulations, John. We'll be in touch soon. This month, our giveaway features a premium 3-way driver package from Morel. This includes 2 woofers and 2 mid-range and tweeter speaker plates, which would normally cost you over $700. Thank you, Morel, for the giveaway, and good luck to everyone who enters. We'll see you next month.